Okay, so hello everyone. Today let us take a look at another package that I got from Shopee. It is a circular saw JC Kawasaki circular saw model 1185G. I got this for 2,580 pesos inclusive of shipping. So let's open this up and take a look at what's inside. Want to look at the box, technical data, rated power 1250 watts, no load speed 6000 rpm, blade diameter 185 hertz, 60 hertz, rated voltage 220 to 240 volts. Okay, now on this one, similar, same. So let's open this. Okay. We've got the circular saw itself. Okay. We've got a what do you call this? A slide guard or something. Here we've got an instructions manual, and you've got a wrench for the blade and extra carbon brushes. And here we've got the blade. It's a 40 teeth blade. So that's everything that's inside. Let's take a closer look. It looks to be very durable. It's actually very nice. We've got a handle here for enabling us to conduct a plunge cut. Okay, you can adjust the depth of cut, and this is the lock. Okay, and we can, I do believe, do 45 degrees. Yes, we can. Okay, and then we can install the fence guide. Okay. Okay, so anyway, all in all, from the looks of it, it's actually very nice. Seems to be very well made. Got some nice thick paint on it. Okay, so before we proceed, I would just like to point out the construction of this circular saw again. This right here is made of metal, and these two, and this, I would say, safe to say, made of aluminum. This is obviously has been milled, right? And this too is also made of aluminum. I did a small scratch on this to make sure, and it is aluminum. You can see a threaded hole, so it's not just inserts, screw inserts, and the only part that's made of plastic is the handle. So you need to press all the way down. Let's measure the cord length. Okay, so basically the cord length from there to the plug itself is about 7 feet. Okay, so before we turn this thing on, just so you know, this it comes with this type of plug. Okay, so I've already got this plug in, but before we start the motor, let's take a base temperature of the motor housing. So it's giving us a reading of 31.5 degrees Celsius. So if there's really no abrupt increase in temperature, I would say that it's perfectly okay. So that's my hand, 34, 34.9. Okay, so this is the motor. So I'm going to turn it on now. Okay, so that's actually very nice. And it's also got very good circulation. There's a fan right here. I don't know if you can see that. See? I'm going to turn it on. So it's got a very nice motor to it. So let me install the blade. By the way, it comes with a let me get my caliper. It comes with a 20mm arbor. Okay, 19.9, 19.89, basically 20mm. So the blade is a 25mm arbor. So be careful when you get this, not to lose this. Okay, fortunately they provide you with this one. It's an adapter. Never install this like so and just try to center it. You need to have this. Okay, this comes with this. It's inside the box, so don't lose this. Okay, or you can always replace this with a circular saw blade with a 20mm arbor, like this one. See, I've got a couple of circular saw blades here with a 20mm arbor from Evolution. By the way, if you're curious, I also have a circular saw from that. I'll post a link somewhere here. Okay, so this is a 20mm arbor circular saw blade. So this is a 25mm, but by the way, it doesn't matter. They provide you with an adapter. So I'm going to remove the blade cover. Let's put the adapter right there, or washer. By the way, I've unplugged the circular saw. Okay, make sure to unplug the circular saw when doing a blade change or removing a blade in order to avoid accidents. Okay, right hand thread, you need to depress on this. It's a lock. Okay, I do believe that's under tight. Okay, so I positioned the blade at exactly 90 degrees. Let me show you. Okay, the base is actually nice, actually very flat. See? Hold on. Okay, let me show you. I'm actually very impressed with this. Okay, and this part as well. So it makes it easier to make this perfectly square or 90 degrees. So let's do a few test cuts. Okay, so let's do initial test cuts. Actually, I already did. I thought I was recording, but I was not, so I'm going to do that again. The sawdust, actually, most of the sawdust exits in this particular area right here, so that's actually nice. Let's do another cut. This, by the way, is 1x6 mahogany. Okay, so let's do one more. That's actually nice. So let's measure the temperature if there's a significant, very significant increase. So 36 degrees from 31, that's not bad. So that's actually just normal temperature, operating temperature. Actually this is not even slightly, very slightly warm. So I did I would say maybe 8 test cuts already, and it performed perfectly. and giving us a clean cut. There's very minimal tear out. So let's take a look at the blade. By the way, this has been unplugged, okay? So anyway, so actually I do believe that's it. So this is the JC Kawasaki circular saw, model 1185G. Full disclosure, I do not advertise for this product, nor am I affiliated with JCK Kawasaki, or nor am I associated with any sellers online that sells this item. I bought this with my own money. I bought this for 2,500 the item, plus 80 pesos shipping. So 2,580 pesos all in all from Shopee. So all in all, I'm going to say that I'm impressed with this machine. The construction is actually very nice. Performance wise is also very nice. And for 2,580 pesos, I do believe this is worth it. And I also already have a JCK Kawasaki planer. I've had that for years, and it still works fine today. So I think it's safe to say these two will just do fine. I also have a JCK Kawasaki router, and I've also had that for years now. Maybe safe to say about 7-8 years now. So anyway, all in all, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope to show you more.